Hi guys, it's me again, Angel, and today we will be doing a first impression review ng L'Oreal Paris Smooth Sugar Clearing Scrub. So I got this on sale. Before it is actually 35 or 40 reals, but now it's on sale for 21.90 reals. So ayan, L'Oreal Paris released different kinds of scrub. Meron yung blue, orange, yellow, different or black, different purpose, different colors, ayan. So different locations din ng face mo siya ilalagay. So as you can see right now, I have nothing on my face. You can see the blemishes and all. So ayan, I just had my shower and then I said I will just film this first impression review. So it says here, exfoliates, visibly reduces blackheads. So ang dami ko, ang problem areas ko rin kasi is yung nose ko kasi ang dami ko ang blackheads. So ayan. And then it is 100 natural origin exfoliants face and lips. So you can use this also sa lips mo kung ang lips mo is dry. So let's see. Sabi dito, your clearing scrub with heating texture. So siguro, ano to, mainit-init pa? Hindi ko alam. And then, basahin ko yung likod ha. Smooth Sugars Clearing Scrub. For the first time, the L'Oreal Paris laboratories have selected 3 fine sugars and combined them with kiwi seeds to instantly reveal a pure, fresh, baby soft skin. So ayan, hindi na to baby soft skin. Use on face and lips. So yun nga, pwede siyang ilagay sa face and then sa lips. So 100% natural, as I said earlier. Ang clearing ingredients niya is itong kiwi seeds to smooth skin in order to reduce blackheads visibly. Peppermint essential oil, rich in soothing properties to reduce blemishes. So ayun nga, ito, mga pinagdaanan na lang ito. So kailangan ma-remove niya. So hindi naman siguro first tanggal na agad. So tingnan natin. Lemongrass essential oil to purify skin. Immediately, skin is clean, neat, and purified. So, dapat mawala nga yung mga blackheads, ganyan. Then, after a week, pores and blackheads are less visible. Skin is mattified. Use after use, skin is revived, healthy looking, with a baby soft touch. So, baby soft touch na nga daw. So, let's open now the product. Ang dami kong sinasabi. Once you open the product, you can see parang ano siya, yung kiwi. Ayan. So, ayan yung mga seeds niya and then yung mga sugar. Napaka-visible niya, diba? So, let's open it, guys. So, once you open, meron na naman siyang another cap or pang-takip. Ano ba tawag dito? Cover. Ayan. And then when you remove, kasi gusto ko to kasi hindi siya matatapon, 'di ba? In case na hindi mo nasara, so secure yung product. And then once you open, ang bango. Ang bango niya, guys. Amoy mint, peppermint with sobrang bango. I wish you can smell this, guys. It's so refreshing. Okay. And then, so, let's tingnan natin yung texture muna, ha? At the back of my hand. Sticky siya kasi nga sugar. So, malagkit-lagkit. Sticky yung feeling. But then, very smooth. Hindi masyadong rough yung sugar. So, hindi ka matatakot na ilagay siya sa face mo. So, let's try again. I will just use this, yung monitor, yung camera ko, to apply the product. So, apply on the fingertips. Clean yung face ko. I have nothing on my face kasi kaka-shower ko lang. So, maglagay tayo dito. And then dito. Siguro dapat meron kang ang tawag doon? Spatula, ganyan. Para hindi mo dinududod yung product. So, mali ako doon. I'm so sorry. Patawaran niyo na ako. So, i-apply lang evenly sa dry skin. Ayan. Avoid yung eye area. Ang bango niya guys, sobra. Okay, natin dito. Dapat pala nagtay ako ng hair. Excited kasi masyado ang lapit niya. Alam mo, parang gusto mong hilamos. So, ayun, kita niyo yung mga seeds ng kiwi. And then, i-massage lang daw sa face. So, kumuha lang ako ng cotton water lang, guys. And then, ilagay ko siya dito. Konting water lang. And then, sabi is, massage sa face. So, antayin natin mag-melt yung product. And then, saka tayo mag-ilaw. Tignan natin yung difference kung maging really smooth skin. So, scrub nyo lang ganyan. Yung skin ko, guys, by the way, I have sensitive acne-prone skin, ganyan. So, hindi ako pwedeng mag-try ng mga product, but this one, ano naman siya is, what do you call this? Natural. So, it's okay. So, ayun, parang nafe-feel ko na nag-melt yung product kasi bukod sa warm water, warm din yung skin natin. So, nag-melt talaga siya. So, sa lips, try din natin. Ito dapat nilagay natin kanina. Halo-halo po mukha. May-melt na siya. So, hilamas lang ako and I will be back. So, I'm back, guys. And nakapaghilamos na ako. Ayan. So, this smooth sugar clear scrub, it's a thumbs up for me kasi after ko maghilamos, nakita ko naman na talagang nag-smoothen yung skin ko. Although, syempre, nandyan pa yung mga blemishes ko. But then, mas smooth talaga siya. Talagang nalinis yung face mo and as you can see, parang naging glass skin pa nga siya, di ba? And then, one thing sa lips, hindi kasi dry yung lips ko ngayon, so hindi ko siya masyadong ma-judge. Pero okay din siya. Hindi siya mabigat sa skin. Hindi katulad ng ibang clay scrub na yung lang, mag-antay ito, i-melt mo lang, and then that's it. Even, naamoy ko pa yung peppermint and yung lemongrass essential oil sa aking mga kamay. So, it's a thumbs up for me. And mararecommend ko itong smooth scrub sa inyo nga guys. So, I will give this a try for another week and let's see kung malalighten nga niya yung aking mga blemishes kasi ito na mga pinagdaanan. So, that's it guys. I hope na-enjoy nyo itong video na to. Just click the subscribe button if you want to know more about me and to watch more of my videos. And click the like button kung nagustuhan nyo itong first impression review natin. And ayun lang guys, share it sa mga friends nyo kung gusto nyo silang mag-try nitong L'Oreal Paris na smooth sugar. So that's it guys. Thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you in the next videos. Bye!